Imagine having the opportunity to own a high quality mechanical keyboard for just around $100. It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, that's exactly what Glorious promised when they introduced the GMMK2 in late March of 2022. Now in 2023, we'll take a closer look to see if the GMMK2 still stands strong amidst the fierce competition in the keyboard market. Has it been outshined by newer and better options? In this comprehensive review, I'll provide an honest assessment on the Glorious GMMK2 to help you decide if it's truly worth your investment. So let's jump right in. As you open the box, you'll immediately notice a sleek and elegant packaging that Glorious is known for. It's a testament to their attention to detail. Once you unwrap the protective layer, the GMMK2 greets you, shining and new. But the surprise doesn't end there. Underneath the keyboard, you'll find a range of additional items that will undoubtedly put a smile on your face. Glorious includes a premium braided USB cable, providing a sturdy and durable connection. You also discover a black escape key, allowing you to swap it with the Glorious one if you prefer a different aesthetic. Additionally, a yellow keycap puller is provided, making keycap removal a breeze. And to top it off, there is a switch puller that allows you to easily customize the switches to your liking. Glorious goes truly above and beyond to enhance the unboxing experience and provide you with everything you need. The Glorious GMMK2 is a keyboard that empowers your creativity. It's designed to be fully customizable, allowing you to personalize almost every aspect of it. From the housing to the switches to the keycaps, you have the freedom to create a keyboard that perfectly suits your style and preferences. Furthermore, you can take customization to the next level by utilizing the QMK configurator to create your own custom firmware. Glorious has designed this keyboard to be redesigned, providing endless possibilities for customization enthusiasts. However, even if you prefer not to delve into customization, the GMMK2 still is an exceptional keyboard straight out of the box. It comes equipped with Glorious Fox switches, a proprietary switch designed by Glorious themselves. These are linear switches and are known for their smooth and quiet operation, providing an enjoyable typing experience. They're fully lubed, including the stabilizers to ensure optimal performance and minimal key wobble. Additionally, the switch sockets are 5-pin, enabling easy switch swapping with other compatible switches, allowing you to explore different switch options and find the perfect fit for your needs. To give you a better sense of their performance, let's conduct a quick sound test. While the GMMK2 delivers on switch performance, it's important to mention their keycaps. The included keycaps are made of ABS plastic, which is a standard material in many keyboards. However, ABS keycaps are known to wear out over time, especially with extensive use. Fortunately, the GMMK2 allows for easy keycap replacement, meaning you can easily upgrade to high quality PBT keycaps or choose from custom keycaps that reflect your unique style. Moving on to the build quality, the GMMK2 truly stands out. Its frame is constructed from CNC machined aluminum, imparting a premium and solid feel. You'll notice the absence of flex and rattle as the construction is robust and well engineered. To further enhance the typing experience, the GMMK2 incorporates a thick dampening foam inside the frame. This foam not only reduces the noise, but also improves the overall sound quality of the keyboard, resulting in a more satisfying and pleasant typing sound. Despite the bottom part of the keyboard being made of plastic, it still feels sturdy and well made, showcasing Glorious's commitment to providing a durable product. In terms of physical dimensions, I have here the 65% model of the GMMK2, which offers a compact and minimalistic design. It measures 313 by 105 by 37.5 millimeters, making it an ideal choice for those who value desk space and portability. With a weight of approximately 1.9 pounds or 0.88 kilograms, the keyboard strikes a good balance between being substantial enough for stability and lightweight enough for convenient transport. Let's discuss the RGB lighting capabilities of the GMMK2. While the keyboard's RGB lighting is certainly present and offers a range of customizable options, it's worth noting that the brightness may be slightly subdued due to the ABS keycaps. ABS plastic doesn't allow that much light to pass through compared to PBT keycaps. However, if you decide to upgrade to pudding keycaps, which have a translucent design, the RGB lighting effect would truly shine and create a visually stunning display. The GMMK2 provides a plethora of RGB modes to choose from, allowing you to choose your select and preferred lighting effects and personalize your keyboard's aesthetic. Additionally, the keyboard features diffused side lights, adding a touch of flair to the overall lighting presentation. To unlock even more customization possibilities, the GMMK2 is accompanied by the glorious Core software. This software serves as a powerful tool that enables you to take full control of your keyboard's functionality and appearance. With the software, you can explore and experiment with various lighting modes, selecting from a diverse range of effects to create a captivating visual experience. Moreover, you have the option to set individual key colors, allowing for intricate and personalized lighting configurations. In addition to lighting customization, Glorious Core software allows you to create macros and shortcuts, making repetitive tasks more efficient and tailored to your workflow. You can assign specific functions or key combinations to a single key, streamlining your overall work and gaming experience. Furthermore, the software provides options to fine-tune the keyboard's performance parameters, such as polling rate and input latency. This level of control allows you to optimize the keyboard's responsiveness according to your specific needs and preferences. The GMMK2 also offers convenient profile management, allowing you to save up to 3 profiles. This feature proves particularly useful if you have different usage scenarios such as gaming, work, and entertainment, each with its own customized settings. With just a few clicks, you can seamlessly transition between profiles, ensuring that the keyboard is always perfectly adapted to your current activity. In conclusion, the glorious GMMK2 continues to shine brightly in 2023. Its affordable price point, extensive customization options, and exceptional build quality make it a standout mechanical keyboard in this category. Whether you're a casual typist seeking comfort or a passionate gamer demanding precision, the GMMK2 delivers a reliable and enjoyable experience. With its ability to unleash your creativity through customization and the added convenience of the Glorious Core software, the GMMK2 truly empowers you to personalize your keyboard and suit your preferences and style. The high quality construction and thoughtful design elements further evaluate the overall typing experience. Therefore, if you're in the search for a high quality mechanical keyboard that won't break the bank, the glorious GMMK2 is undoubtedly still a strong contender. Anyways guys, that's all for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Also make sure to check out this video on screen right now.